Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to post in multiple Facebook groups with Hootsuite. So first things first, you just have to create an account right here, but actually you need to start the free trial in order for you to create an account. So once you're here on your Hootsuite or once you're logged in, you have to go to your profile and go to manage account and themes. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is tap on the add social account, and then you have to scroll down and look for this my social networks. Tap on the add a social network, and basically you have options right here like Twitter, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, WordPress, Instagram. You have to click the Facebook, and then you have to connect with your Facebook so you can add pages, groups, and profiles. Okay, so tap on connect with Facebook, confirm your account, and the next thing to do here is you have to confirm your profile and add your password. So once you have logged in or link your account here on your Hootsuite, then that's it. You also need to confirm your groups or pages that you have linked to your account. You can add the group right here, select the group that you want to add to your Hootsuite, and then once done, then that's it. All you have to do is go to the Hootsuite dashboard and then look for a specific section, article, and then there you can share this article and then select the group. You can post this to multiple groups. You can add caption, tap on post, or you can post it one later. And basically, that's easy it is to post in multiple Facebook groups with Hootsuite. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.